Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Hair Aesthetics. And today you guys, as you guys can see, I just got out the hospital. Actually not even an hour ago. I have a herniated disc in my back and 3 muscle spasms going on in my back. And I have to go to physical therapy, but I am still pushing out these videos. I'm going to be resting and editing every video I put out, so I hope you guys enjoy this throughout my pain. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you guys can see right here on my lap, I have a package, and it was waiting for me when I got home. It seems like my grandbaby had already got semi into it, but it's not open at all. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I love getting packages. Make my day, especially with me going through a lot of stuff. I don't tend to like to put my personal business and what I'm going through on my channel. But you guys are my family, so I have to let you guys know what I'm going through. And so, with that being said, yeah. I'm gonna get this. I'm sorry, y'all, because I am off the medication right now. They gave me some morphine, and it's been working, y'all. It's been working, okay? So sorry if I sound a little drowsy or loopy, because I am. Okay. I have an idea of what I think this is, but I don't have an idea of what I think this is. So, let's get into it. Okay. Also, check out my Amazon wish list, because every product I have in there, I do need to make my videos better quality and better for you guys watching and everything. And I just want to make sure I'm putting out the best quality videos possible for you guys. So let's see. The last package, hopefully the video will be up soon. But there's no letter again. Whoever you are, thank you. Thank you so much. I don't know who this is from, but I truly appreciate this. It's saying, what's it saying? It looks like a mannequin head. Let's see what it is. You guys can open it with me. Oh, okay. It is. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm out of it, but I know I need to create these videos, so please bear with me. Oh my god, y'all. What? I think this is a stand. I'm so glad this came with a stand. Oh, also a keepsake bag to put the mannequin in. And some accessories for styles. I'm going to use these accessories on all of the mannequins, of course. It gives you ideas, a book for styles and everything. And then some more accessories for the base of the head. Let's take her out. So far we have Amber and Victoria you guys will see them in a video before this one comes out, actually. If you guys are new here, please like, comment, subscribe, and join the family. Be a part of it. We're doing positive things over here only. They wrapped her hair around her neck. Oh, she is so pretty. She is so pretty. I don't know what hair texture this is, but it's so nice. No tangles, no anything, like my fingers run straight through her hair. And I've been looking at her in my wish list, and I felt like I've already had a name for her. And I think I'm going to name her Hannah. And I think that's fitting for her. So, you guys can meet Hannah. So, we have Amber. Like I said, I lost Nikki. So, we have Amber, Victoria, and Hannah. And like I said, we're going to have some great videos coming out. Be sure to check out my wish list if you're interested, or check out my Cash App that will be linked down below. And yeah, I cannot wait to have awesome videos. And thank you so much to the person who bought her for me. I am truly appreciative of everything that you guys are doing and sending to me. You guys are totally awesome. Like, I couldn't ask for a better YouTube family group. So I'm going to get so much joy out of her. I don't know if she's human hair. I'm going to have to do some research, but I believe that she is. So I'll be able to use the curler set that you guys will see in a previous video on her beautiful hair. Because Amber doesn't have like the hair I need for that kind of curler that I got. So hers will definitely work wonders for it. And I have a ton of ideas with her that videos are just going to be coming out the woodwork. But I am on bed rest for 3 days until I go to my physical therapy. But that's not going to stop me from getting videos out and videos done. I'm on pain medication, pain management for my back. So I'll still be able to do what I need to do for these videos, because rain, sleep, or snow, nothing is going to stop me from getting all these videos out. So I do appreciate you guys, and I do appreciate you guys' patience, because without none of this would be possible. None of these videos, because I don't have people in my life to constantly do their hair. And I do hope that you guys enjoyed the dyeing hair video that I did. And I dyed my daughter and my niece hair, but I did not do my daughter hair on camera. But you guys will see the outcome of how I dyed her hair, and also my niece hair. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys give it a big thumbs up, smack that, because we need our channel to grow. Make sure you guys subscribe, join the family, and if you're new here, welcome. For my people who's been here, thank you for watching my videos. You guys are so amazing. And thank you to whoever sent her to me. Hannah is so beautiful, and you guys will be seeing Hannah in upcoming videos, as well as Victoria and Amber. So thank you guys so much, and until the next video, bye guys.